Well, I was doing my maintenance on the car here, and we found a mysterious leak right there. A cracked radiator. So we have a leak right there. It goes from the transmission cooler to the upper radiator hose, and there's a long crack right there. It's almost a full inch long. So, not buying another radiator because they cost money. So that's obviously going to be patched. And now that I've spent 3 hours looking for where my tools went, found this piece of sandpaper. So that just gets scrubbed up. And then once the area is taken on a little bit of a palish color, it's lighter than the plastic from being scratched, and a blowtorch. And you just lightly heat the area so the plastic gets its color back. It boils a little bit. So it gets a nice textured finish on the very surface that is a lot more refined than just sanding it, because it adds bubble texture. And then you continue to take the blowtorch and heat up the end of a soldering pencil that's already been used for melting plastic. And leave the bottle running because it's probably not hot enough. And go along its crack and just singe it all the way along. And then back the other way. And then these radiators are made out of a carbon fiber plastic. So this rearranges all the carbon fibers particles. A couple pull down motions. Almost like you're scraping off the top layer. Then if you have that carbon fiber PLA filament, you can slowly add filler to the surface with that. See, it's cooled off again, needs to be heated up. For filler material, I have this cheap guitar pick that I don't like because it's got that carbon fiber texture to it. So that's going to become the filler material. clearance, it looks like a consistency of like a JB weld over top of the torched boiled surface plastic, and decide whether or not I want to melt another one over it or just put it together. So I figured I might as well add some plastic to that. That's the right color. So I got this old welding rod box and just cut a strip out of it with the old knife. And strip plastic weld over that. And so that just repeats. And there. After the bolt stripped out, you get a spacer, collar sleeve, some more washers, the transmission furrow to essentially climb the inner transmission cooler box to the plastic so that doesn't leak. And you can't see too much, but the washer is definitely crooked there because the plastic's a little bit higher. And then you get another jug of unobtainable, just go to the store, doesn't have it. Right. And then it pours in. And then that'll eventually bleed down, but it was dripping from here immediately after coolant went in it. But yeah, I don't think it's saying anything. And that goes how only lost 1 gallon of coolant. Oh yeah. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, I gave her this nice big new fancy girder brace right here, just so her big chin doesn't stick out and get clopped in too much.